fingers classic, low rider, cause I'm scraping back bumper. Alright, orale pues, homeboy.
Alright, peep game. So this is one of the many projects I'm fucking doing besides building Sophia's bike. I also got a fucking old school airplane, a pedal car that I want to get done this year. I don't know if it's gonna happen, you know, beginning of the year, end of the year. I know it's a lot of money to build up, but we'll see what happens. But right now I'm just gonna do a real quick throw together of a stroller that me and my mom had got for Anahi. It's a 1940s style Taylor Tot stroller. So I've already built one, and I built it several times for Sophia. It's actually in the shop getting painted right now, full show wise, kind of painted, you know, like getting painted for real, like clear, everything. It already has chrome parts. It already has chrome parts and stuff, so I'm building that right now. Hopefully it gets back soon. I sent it out like in October, but you know, when you're doing processes like that, it takes a lot of time. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you a little before of the stroller for Anahi, and then I'm gonna show you the after. I think I want to go like a white and purple, kind of match the Lincoln a little bit, and if not, I might go full purple, but I've already done that, so it's kind of hard to, like, you know, decide what you want to do, what colors you want to go with. It's gonna be a straight rattle can job because, you know, I wanted to ride in it. It's because it doubles up as a walker, so I want to be able to walk in it, ride in it, you know, beat it up like Sophia did to hers before I rebuild it again and make it, you know, nice to show quality so that they can actually be out there looking real nice. So hopefully you guys enjoy the build. I'm gonna do the teardown today. We'll see how long it takes me to get everything sanded, painted. We'll go through the processes together. So here's the stroller now. It's a 1940s stroller. These are old wheels from Sophia's actual stroller. The rubber came off, so I'm gonna rewrap those and stuff. Sophia's handle is actually like an X style handle, so it has like an X in the middle. This one is more of a rounded stroller, so it's the same concept, same build, you know. So missing a couple things like the foot pan, the rear bumper guard, things like that, that I have a couple other strollers I might get some parts from, but we'll see how it goes.
So today I'm just right here. We're going with Beverly today. And my papa's here.
Off the handle, paint it all together. It has some funny little like push on kind of clip things, so I'm gonna actually tell my stepdad if he can take those off because I don't want to fuck them up in case I need this. Everything else I'll probably drill out the rivets because that's what I did in the X handle, and I, you know, put different little screws in there to hold it together, and that's everything. Deconstruct. It didn't even take me that long because, like I said, I've taken one apart before many times. So now it's just fucking wet sanding and painting.